Today we're going to be making an Italian favorite. Right now we're hydrating the lasagna paper. You want to hydrate the lasagna paper till al done. The paper is delicate, so once it's al done, you want to hang it to air dry. For faster drying, I'm going to turn it on medium. This is my lasagna paper air dryer. Some of Rick's cheese, fresh herbs, oregano, some basil, make it rain, some garlic, some parmesan, some young chicken, salt and pepper to taste. Yum. Mix Salardo. Our paper looks dry. This is how you check if it's ready. Perfect. Add your beef. Seal your paper. Make some well-calculated cuts. Rack it up. SPF butter sunscreen. Get it, Betty. The sauce is 1 part tomato paste and 1 part clear juice. Mix Salardo. Perfect. Done. Taste test. Crunchy. Some fresh herbs. This is what it looks like behind the scenes.